it is very important to clean all the espresso coffee machine, not only the external part, but also the internal part. In this case, I have in my hand a group head. As you can see, there is the shower that is in this position. When I'm preparing espresso coffee, all this part and also the internal part of the group head is going to be dirty with oils and fats of the espresso coffee beverage. It's so important to use the right product to clean it up, and in this case we use Caff. To clean the group head, the shower, I will use the portafilter. I'm going to take out the regular filter. I use the blind filter, the filter without holes that is giving you like an accessory of the espresso coffee machine. I put it on the portafilter. I use to clean each group head 3 grams, between 3 and 5 grams of powder. And the operation is very easy. 10 seconds on, and at the end 10 seconds off, and this procedure has to be done 5 times. At the end, it's important to clean the group head and the shower, just using another time the blind filter and repeating the washing procedure as before. So 10 seconds on, 10 seconds off for 5 times. Done. I just cleaned the group head of the espresso coffee machine. Just remove the old filter and the blind filter. And the machine is ready to irrigate a perfect espresso coffee.